Namaskar. Myself is Santosh Singh Shekhawat. I am the Vice President of the hotel, The Palace by Park Jewels. It's my pleasure to explore the Palace Hotel today. So it's situated on Jaipur Ajmer Highway. The hotel does have the 136 keys with multiple wedding venues. If talk about the like destination weddings, so this is the ideal hotel on the Ajmer Road. And if you talk about the venues, then we have like three banquet halls and two lawns. One lawn which is like an accommodate 1,000 people in one go, and the central courtyard which is in the situated in center of the property that can accommodate like 500 to 600 people in one go. If you talk about the pool side, then another we have the two venues that can like we can do some healthy and mehndi ceremony kind of things. If talk about the mice, then mice also like this is ideal property because if we like corporate people, they want to do some activities like team building activities on, so they can do activities at this property. And other than wedding and mice, if we talk about the staycation and FIT movement, so this is the ideal property for that also because the property does have the like lush green lawn. It is a little bit outside of the city also because someone want to do like some peace calm for that, for relaxation kind of thing. So we have the spa also for that. Good rooftop also, like restaurant is there. And let me explain about the rooms also. We have suites with us. We have like standard and the premium rooms. And if you talk about like Swiss cottage, and we sit on the rooftop, so we have cottage and we have like Swiss cottage also next to the pool side with jacuzzi. Like for the staycation for FIT movement also, this is the ideal property, I think. So I welcome you all to the Palace by Park Jewels Hotels, and please visit and come and stay with us. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you very much.